Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 29th, Monday morning, and we've got corn higher, 4 to 5 cents higher as we speak. Beans down 13 to 14. I think a lot of this adjusting here this morning is because of spreaders. We've seen last week soybeans rallied 27 cents while corn was down 23 cents or 24 cents. So we're getting some adjusting there as Hurricane Sandy is causing a lot of havoc on the East Coast. The stock market being closed today. Some of the equity futures are going to close early because of that, and we don't know how and how much impact we'll see here in the Midwest. Some of the reports are Ohio should get 2 to 3 inches of rain. That could cause a slowdown harvest there as well. Excuse me. The weekly progress report is going to be delayed by the USDA today because of the weather situation there. Other news is the weather in South America putting a bit of a pressure on soybean complex as the northern part of Brazil getting more moisture here over the weekend, and looks to get more moisture here early this week. Planting progress released on Friday says that we've got 28% of the beans planted in Brazil, which is 4% higher than average, much less than last year's 41%, however. The Argentina weather appears to be giving a window of dryness here starting tomorrow. However, still a bit wet at this point in time, and that's creating some strength for the corn, a little bit weakness there for the soybeans. Other news, Soviet Econ came out and said that Russian domestic wheat prices are improving. That could be supportive to our wheat prices here at the Board of Trade. The other news, ethanol demand for corn has been talked about this weekend. Started on Friday a bit that ethanol plants were not going to accept aflatoxin corn because it in turn causes too high of a aflatoxin count in the DDGs, therefore it can't be used for livestock. That's providing support to the soybean meal here overnight, as that could be a big concern if that's the case. The CFTC did announce their numbers on Friday. According to those numbers, the managed futures added basically what they lost last week. They added corn positions, nearly 26,000 contracts there, increased the long positions in wheat and soybeans as well. Therefore, expect some two-sided trade here today. Quiet trade as the East Coast is basically shut down because of the Hurricane Sandy. Would expect that to mean that we've got some quieter, choppier markets here today in the grains. In the livestock trade, the USDA announced on Friday afternoon cutout values and box beef values. We've seen the beef drop sharply, down 255 in choice, down 285 in select. We've been talking about that for the last few days, that this beef market could be getting toppy in here at this $200 a pound level. And we certainly have seen some indications of that on Friday. And that more than likely will cause the cattle market to open lower, even though we've seen lower prices on Friday. A continuation of that may be in store here. Look for technical support in the pork complex, especially down around that 77.62 level in the December. It looks to be key support for us on the December charts. Another thing I wanted to mention on corn, the chart support there is 732 on a December contract, or 32.5. We made that low overnight. If we close below that on a daily basis, it could trigger a lot more sell stops and selling pressure as that appears to be some key support area right now in the December charts. So look for a quiet session once we get started here. Everybody gets positioned early in the day. Mid-session would expect to be very quiet, and then look for headlines to direct us and drag us one direction or the other toward the end of the session. So if you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. And also a reminder, we've got the monthly Allendale Ag webinar, Ag Leaders webinar tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Get signed up for that. Just go to our website, log on to the Ag Leaders webinar, and you can sign up there very easily. So we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.